You probably think that when you go to sleep, your brain finally gets to rest, right? Well, not exactly. In fact, your brain becomes even more active during certain stages of sleep than it is when you're awake, especially during REM sleep, the stage where dreaming happens. Your brain lights up like a city at night. It's sorting your memories, analyzing what you learned, solving problems, and even regulating your emotions. But here's the wild part. Your brain also cleans itself while you sleep. A system called the glymphatic system kicks in and flushes out waste and toxins that build up during the day. Stuff that could damage your brain if left unchecked. It's like a janitor working the night shift, quietly, but doing the most important cleanup of all. Some researchers believe that your brain runs simulations through dreams, testing scenarios to help you respond better in real life. So when people say sleep on it, it's not just a saying, it's science. Ever wake up with the answer to a problem you couldn't solve the day before? That's your sleeping brain doing overtime. But here's the catch. If you don't get enough good sleep, your brain can't do all this work properly. That's why even one bad night can mess with your memory, focus, and even your mood. So the next time you think sleep is just rest, think again, because when your body shuts down, your brain turns on. If you like this videos, hit like and subscribe to 1 Minute Facts for more amazing science hiding in plain sight.